Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add vinyl record on Instagram story. So this is a new feature on Instagram where you can add a vinyl record animations to your Instagram story when you are adding a music to it. So previously, you can only add lyrics, animations, or animated lyrics to your Instagram story using music. But now you can also add this vinyl record animations. And here through this video, I'm going to show you how. So watch this video until the end. First, you can just launch the Instagram apps on your phone. And here you need to make sure that you've already have the newest version of Instagram. So if you haven't, you need to update your Instagram first so you can have this feature. So after the Instagram is open, and you can just click on this plus icon and the Instagram story will be open. You can just choose a photo for your background. So in this case, I'm going to find a photo from here from my gallery, and I'm going to use one of the photo. Okay, so for example, I'm using this photo as the background. So before you can add a vinyl record, first you need to choose the musics that you want for your Instagram story. So click on this music icon and then just select the music that you want. So for example, I'm going to add this Fresh Morning songs from Yuki Matsui. So you can just click on the songs that you want to add, and in here you can see this is the title and also the name of the singer. If there is lyrics available, there will be also options on lyrics display in the song. So if you want to have the vinyl record, you can just swipe in here until you see the last option, and this is the vinyl record animation. You can just tap on done after this, and you can see this is the vinyl record, and at the bottom there will be the name of the song and as well as the singer. Here you can always adjust the size of the vinyl record and also the position. If you want to reposition it, you can just move it or drag it just like this. Okay, I'm going to put it in here. And that's it. That's how you can add vinyl record on your Instagram story. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.